guys, it is Jerica. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing why do I feel like I'm out of focus? But anyway, so welcome back to my channel. So we are doing a holiday party glam, not even really glam, because this is gonna be like the simplest thing ever. I'm literally just doing foundation, wing liner, and I'm gonna do some red lips because I don't normally do red lips. I mean, I love red lips, like don't get me wrong, they're great. But for some reason, when it comes to lipstick, I just feel like lipstick does not look right on me, and I don't know why. I don't know why I feel like lipstick don't look right on me. Like I just feel like it just doesn't look right on me. So anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Like I said, for my eyes, I'm literally not doing anything but wing liner. So that means all y'all gonna see me do today is put concealer on my lids. That's literally all I'm gonna do, because I'm just gonna put concealer on. I'm gonna set them and apply liner. So I'm using my Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer, which I am almost out of, but I got another one on my desk that's just waiting to be used, but I'm going to use this till I literally can't use it anymore. So I'm just going to blend this out like I always do. If you're an OG subscriber, you already know my steps to my eye looks. I literally don't use primer. I use concealer. And I do apologize about my break in videos. I would like to talk about why I had a break in videos one day. I would like to open up about what happened to me, but it's probably gonna be a minute before I'm able to make a video about it. So I'm filming these videos today. Like, I literally forced myself, and I said, if you don't force yourself to get out of this depression, you are always going to be feeling like this. Like, I have to create content. Like, it's like, not that I have to, like, but it's like, if I want to get better and feel better, I have to literally force myself to do stuff that I like to do. Like, I know that I like creating content. I know this is something I want to do full time one day, and it's like, I wish I was creating content full time now, but I'm not yet. But it's like, I have to force myself to do this so that I can feel better, because I was so ready to stop feeling down. I literally was in the bed for an entire week straight, like in the bed, crying, and I'm just like, I want to film videos today. I told myself yesterday I'm going to get up. Tried to get up early, didn't work out. So I'm going to get up and I'm going to force myself to create some content, because I haven't created any in a while, and I really just want to look cute again, because I literally have been ugly for the past 2 weeks. I've just been around the house, no makeup, my hair ain't done, and wearing this onesie, and I'm like, I need to force myself out of this. Anyway, so for liner, I'm going to use the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. You guys already know this is raved about here. This is raved about here on YouTube. So I'm just going to create this part, and I'm going to do the winged part after I do my foundation and stuff. So let me get, you know what? Y'all gotta excuse me for a minute. I need my mirror to be close. I need my mirror to be close while I do this. I hate that my eyelashes are so curly, because every time I do wing liner, like on the very tip of my lashes is always a bunch of black dots from the liner, and I'm like, oh, that bothers the crap out of me. So now that I got the base liner on, now I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes, which I'm using my favorite lashes ever. I bought 2 more of these when she was having a sale. These are the Pretty Glam Cosmetics lashes in Orchid. Shoot, I forgot my tweezers. All right, now that I have my actual lashes on, I realized that I should have done my wing liner before I put these lashes on, because it's going to be really hard trying to work around these. I feel like I need to try and do it now, because when I put my foundation on, I'm not going to be able to touch my face. So I completely underestimated that. Yeah, I need to go ahead and do that real quick. And y'all know I don't normally do my wing liner on camera, because it always takes me a while, but I'm going to try and see if I can do it. 'Can't see. 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 'Can Okay, so I got it like that. Oh, bro. Okay, I kind of got it. But I will never do that again. Ever. Because that... Whew, that was not a smart move. Okay, so... Now that I have my liner done... Make sure my headband is all right. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my foundation. And I'm going to use for primer the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Primer. The primer I normally use. Just do a dot up there. Because this primer is great if you have dry skin. Alright, so foundation. We're using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. I love this foundation. This is probably my favorite foundation ever because it lasts all day. It looks flawless all day. I know it ain't going nowhere. It's just a high quality foundation. So if you're looking for a good foundation, this is the one. OG subscribers know I had the hardest time finding my shade in this foundation. I tried 390, I tried 380, and then when she finally decided that she was going to come out with an in-between shade, because 380 was too light, 390 was too dark and orange. So when she said she was coming out with 385, I was like, oh, MG. And I'm just going to put it on my face like this. I know they don't recommend to do this because of bacteria, but we're doing it. So I'm just going to use this. Put one dot on my forehead. One. That's it. Tell me why a gnat just flew in here. I guess I need to close my window. Like they be fitting through the, they be fitting through the screen. Like ain't nothing in here that important, man. Like nothing. Okay, and after I use the brush, I like to take the butt end of the beauty blender, even though it's kind of dry. Alright, so for concealer and contour, I'm going to do what I normally do, which is concealer using the Born This Way concealer first, going on top with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Dark 40. This color is in Mocha, for those who are wondering. And for contour, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Stick Foundation in Cameroon and go on top of it with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. And it's just the perfect mix. Perfect mix. I love just pouncing it like that because it makes the perfect little line. And then I go over it with a beauty blender to make sure it's blended in. But this blends it pretty well. Like I like a snatched cheekbone. I like this sponge because it's really, really squishy. But that kind of threw me off the first time I used it. It's so squishy. You got to get really used to it. I've never used a sponge that was so squishy. Like this sponge has no shape. Whatsoever. It does not keep its, I don't even know how to describe it, but this sponge is super squishy. So it blends my concealer out well, but I can't just be done with this. Like if you look at my face, I can't just be done with this right now. Like I have to do something else. I have to go back in with the beauty blender because I don't know, just using that sponge alone just isn't enough. And you see why. Like I have to go back in with this. See? Blended to perfection. I forgot to get makeup wipes for this look. I normally go in with have my makeup wipes ready because I've been getting foundation all over my hands. So for powder, I'm using the Beauty Bakery flour powder. Nothing new. You know, one day I'm going to try some new products for you guys because I know y'all get tired of me using the same things, but until I start getting PR where I'm getting the stuff sent to me and I'm not buying it, I'm going to be using what I bought. And I'm going to be using it till it's gone. So I'm just going to take this powder and press it in. And I kind of like to bring it on the side of my nose to sort of snatch my nose. All right, so I'm gonna let this sit for a millisecond, and I'm gonna go get a makeup wipe because I can't do dirty hands. Just all right, y'all, so that's on. For highlighter, I'm going to use my Morphe Mirage highlighter, which is my favorite highlighter. I feel like I need a little bit more spray. There we go. I'm going to let this dry. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. Once this dries, I'm going to do a little bitty, I think I might do a little inner corner highlighter. That's what I like to do sometimes. Oh, I guess I can't use that brush. I be struggling. So pretty. Open up your eyes a little bit. So this is it for the makeup, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I'm going to do an outfit or whatever. Like, this isn't a get ready with me or anything, so I'm not gonna like put my outfit in the video. Make sure my lashes are on. So this was like a simple, quick, easy get ready with me. Not even get ready with me, but holiday makeup glam. Just wing liner and red lip. Like, if I was for real going to a holiday party, this is what I would do. Wouldn't really do no eyeshadow or nothing because that's just doing the most. And this is just a simple glam look that anybody can do. I'm pretty sure if you know anything about makeup, you can probably do your own wing liner and you can easily put on some red lipstick and call it a day. So that's what this look was inspired by. Something I've done on my channel a long time ago. I think in 2017 I did a look like this. I don't even remember what lipstick and stuff I used, but I just thought this would be cute. And I put on brown liner for no reason because you can't even see it. I was trying to do an ombre effect. I guess I would have had to go back over the top with more brown, but I'm scared I'm just gonna mess it up, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. Let me move that out of the frame. I'm just gonna leave it the way it is and call it a day. So if you guys like this video, I hope you guys thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and check out the links down below in the description bar. I will have everything linked that I use in this video so that you can click on the links and use the links, because that's just the easiest way to do it. My Instagram will also be linked down below, so you can just click that button and hit the follow button on Instagram. But that is pretty much it. So I thank you guys so much for watching and have a good day.